guys, it's Addie
and Kenzie
from Florida Parks After Dark. And this is what happens when you were literally raised in the Disney parks.
And you found yourself on a YouTube video.
Yes, we found ourselves on someone else's YouTube video. So, anyway, I remember this. Do you remember it, Kenzie?
I mean, a bit. Like, it's a vague memory. I was little when this thing happened too.
So basically, we were at Pinocchio's Village House in Magic Kingdom, which if you don't know, is the restaurant that neighbors It's a Small World. And I was done my food, and there's window seats you can sit by, and it lets you look into the building of It's a Small World, so you can see the people going on the boats, and you can wave to them as they go by before they go into the ride. And so I was waving to everybody in the window, and there was this one, I forget if it was a guy or girl, I think it was a guy, but he came by and he was filming me as I was waving. And just recently we were on YouTube and we found that exact video.
That exact moment where it happened.
So credit goes to my theme park POV.
So
the video starts, they go out and there's the windows.
And if you look on the one on the left, sorry, it's a little shaky.
And pause it. See that girl right there in the window? That's me. That's little Addie, probably 6, 7 years old.
And that little thing right there, that's 3-year-old Kenzie having the chicken nuggets.
Yep, chicken and fries from Pinocchio Village House. That was always a tradition for us. So, yeah, if you've been to Disney, search around on YouTube for videos that were around the time of your trip, because you never know. You might just find yourself on someone else's YouTube video.
So, without further ado, this is Kenzie
And Addie
from Florida Parks After Dark. We hope you enjoyed this little special Easter egg video. So like this video, subscribe, hit the bell, and do all those things.
And if you like our content, what we're showing, give us some more recommendations of things you want to see. We're always happy to try new things.
And always remember to go out there and go and live, because today's the day to live your best life ever. Have a good day, everyone.